Gaikwad, captain of CSK. Rutu, where do you think you lost it?
Obviously, in the power play during their batting, I think Nitish batted really well, but at the same time, we were not proactive. Knowing that he was going behind the boundary, square of the boundary, we should have been able to be slightly more ahead. At the end of the day, it's always about one hit, and you can see it clearly. We are just one hit away from crossing the line. So I feel a little bit in the power play, but also I feel we gave away. Maybe 8 to 10 runs in the midfield. Again, that's something which we are looking to improve, but I think it is costing us in each and every game.
What do you feel a par score was on here?
I think I feel 180 was chaseable. It was still a good wicket if you hit the pockets. You timed the ball really well. I feel it was still a good wicket. I was really happy at the end of the innings where they finished 180. The kind of score they had got in power play, I think they were looking around 210, 220 probably. That would have been 20, 30 runs above par. But I think 180 was definitely chaseable tonight.
Talk to us about your order and the way you seem to be setting up your side and why the changes.
I think, over the years we had, last few years we had Ajinkya batting at 3 and then we had Raidu taking care of middle order, 3, 4, that sort of range. So, we thought, it is better that I come back one step, Rahul Tripathi, who is known for playing aggressive roles, he can go up there and free himself up. So I think that was the thought process behind it. And I think, there's not much difference. Anyways, I'm getting to bat in the first, second overs in the 3 games that I've batted.
Okay, so tell me the difficulty then once you make decisions such as those to shift back and how much discussion there is on that in itself. Sort of, I suppose, call it plan A.
I think till now I feel no discussions have happened about me batting at number 3. Though I think it was decided during the auction time, and I was pretty much convinced about that. And I don't have any problem whenever the team wherever it is required. I feel I can take risks when needed. I can rotate strike when needed. So that's what you want from number 3, number 4 batsman. When you have Shivam who can take the spinners, you have one at the top of the order who can give us a good start. Unfortunately, we have not been able to get a good start. But I think once we get that going, I feel it will be a really good batting unit.
What are you saying there as you go back home?
Nothing, just long flight. Looking forward to it. Not really happy to take a 3-hour flight, especially, but lots of positives. Noor as usual bowling well, Khalil is bowling well, Jadubai bowled well as well. I think we are just there. It's not getting together. You need that sort of momentum in the bowling department. Just like you get a wicket and then you build in that pressure. I think that's what not really happening since the last game. But I think once